Welcome back. In this video, we'll see basics of VLOOKUP. I will use a simple VLOOKUP exercise in this video. We have the employee data over here in this sheet. This sheet contains almost 900 plus employee data, and if I wanted to fetch information about the employee using the employee ID, let us say if I enter employee ID here, I wanted to get the information about first name, last name, university and job title of this employee ID. So this is Denny Murphy, Drexel University and system administrator. I wanted to get the information like this. If I enter the employee ID, I need to get all this information. For that, I will use the VLOOKUP function. I will use the VLOOKUP function equals VLOOKUP and the lookup value will be G5. If I do like this, I will definitely get an error message. Before using the VLOOKUP function, you need to ensure that the lookup value will be always in the first column. So what I will do is, I will cut this and paste this in the first column, which is in A. So basically you are looking up the value of employee ID and you wanted to find out first name, last name, university and job title. Your employee ID should be in the first column, which will be the lookup value. Now I will use the VLOOKUP function. I have to select the lookup value V5 and I will select the array from where it has to look up. Now I wanted to look up the first name. First name is in third column 1, 2 and 3. So I need to enter 3 here and I will use exact match, which is 0 and close the bracket. I got the first name as Denny. So this is for 382809. So this is the employee ID. If I take some other employee ID, I will get the first name, which is Carla. I wanted to find out last name. I will use VLOOKUP again. VLOOKUP. Then I need to select the lookup value, comma, select the array, comma, then last name is in 1, 2, 3, 4th column and close the bracket. 0 for exact match. I got the last name as well, which is Thompson. For university, again, I'll do the lookup, select the array, and I wanted to find out university, which is in first, second, third, fourth, fifth column. 5th and 0, which is for exact match. And I got the university as well. Now I wanted to find the job title of this employee ID. Again, I will use VLOOKUP, lookup value, select the array, comma, this is in second column. First and second job title. Exact match 0. I got the job title as well. Let's say if I wanted to find out the employee data for another employee ID, let us say I wanted to find out for Olivia, I got the employee ID over here. All I need to do is I need to enter the employee ID number and I will get the first name, last name, university and job title. So if I remove the employee ID and if I press enter, I don't have any information over here. So if I enter another employee ID, I will get the detail. If I delete this employee ID, you will see you will get an error message saying not available. I don't want to see not available or any other error message. I wanted to have some meaningful information which says what I need to do, right? So for that, I will delete this function and I will use if error along with VLOOKUP. If error, then VLOOKUP. My lookup value will be in G5. This is where I'll be entering the employee ID. So whatever employee ID I'm going to enter in this particular cell, I will get first name, last name, university and job title. So my lookup value will be in G5 and I need to select the array. So this is my array and what I need to look up, I need to look up first name. First name is in 1, 2 and 3. This is in third column. So I'll use 3 and for exact match, I need to use 0 and close the bracket. Since I wanted to have some information which is meaningful information, I will use comma. Then in the double quote, I'll say I can use this formula bar to enter the information, or I can also come here and enter the information. In the double quote, I will enter input employee ID in G5. Close the double quote and close the bracket. Now, if you see, you will get some information what exactly you need to do. So it is asking me to input employee ID in G5. If I copy and paste the employee ID, I will get the information related to first name, last name and university. So again, last name and university is taking the old formula. I have to change it. So I'll change this also. To change the formula, I will copy this, the same formula, and paste the formula here. Instead of 3, I need to get last name. So last name is in fourth column. First, second, third, and fourth. So this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So I have to update this with 4. So I have changed 3 to 4. And if I remove, this is also giving me the information to enter employee ID in G5. For university again, I will copy, paste the formula, and for university it will be 5. I will enter 5 here because university is in 5th column and enter. And job title, I can copy the formula and paste here, and I can say because job title is in first, second column, I have to use 2 here. I am updating here. Now I have some information what I have to do. So all these are all telling me to enter the data in G5. If I randomly pick up employee ID and paste here, I will get the details. If somebody comes to you and gives you the employee ID to check the first name, last name and university, all you need to do is you need to enter the employee ID, you will get the information. Let us see the first name, last name and university is correct. Chadwick Booth, University of Maryland. And this is in and associate professor. Job title is Associate Professor. Yes. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.